there. If you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to take advantage of Bitbucket's new feature known as pipeline that allows for a seamless continuous integration of your code from your development workstation to a remote server. So in this video, what we're going to do is to create a Django project, commit our changes, push it to Bitbucket's repo that we are going to create, and have pipeline push the code to Amazon AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So let's get started by creating a Django project. Okay, we're just gonna create a project and give it test proj. Okay, so we're gonna check into our test project directory. Okay, so we have our test project directory. So let's create a git init repo inside. Okay. Let's commit. No, sorry, I didn't add fast staging area. Okay, so now that we have committed the files inside our test project, then we're gonna push it to AWS just to create an environment for it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this UB needs profile personal. I have different accounts, or I have several accounts configured on this PC, so I'm going to use one. You could as well use just EB init if you have just one profile on your workstation. Okay, alright, so I'm going to use this. Okay, searching for my profile, but like I said earlier, if you have just one account, it could just be EB init. You're done. Alright, so I'm creating a new one. Test hub. Okay. Alright, so application test app has been created. So what we need to do next is to create an environment. Alright, so we're still waiting for this to complete. It's gonna take a few more seconds, I guess, depending on your internet connection speed. Alright, so while we are waiting for this, perhaps we should do something else. Let's create a test repo. Okay. Application is still creating, and let's see. Okay, so we have a repo created, and yeah, I have an existing project. Alright, so it's ready now. So I'm using Python. Okay, I'm gonna use Python 2.7. It could be 3.4 that you're using, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I don't need an SSH instance. So if you want to be able to make remote connections from the command line or terminal, as the case may be, to your virtual server, you could just put yes here so that you'll be able to SSH into your remote instance. Okay. Alright, so this is ready now. So we're just gonna create an environment for this application now. You could give it any name, so I'm giving it test environment. So the command is eb create and the name of the environment. Okay, we're waiting for this. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, so let's head over to our Elastic Beanstalk and see if our environment is here. Okay, still coming up. Okay, not created yet. It's coming up. Alright, so it's coming up. Creating application version archive 5948. Okay, so let's check. This one suspecting used my credential to create it in a particular zone that I've used before. Okay. Yeah, the connection is kind of slow. Okay, now good. So we have it here, test app. Okay, so my application was created in this particular region because the profile that I used, yeah, already have it configured for a particular region, which is Ireland. Okay. Okay. Alright, it's coming up. Alright, so as you can see, the region is EU West one. So we have to take note of that because we're gonna use it shortly. Alright, so let's just refresh this to see if our environment is here. Okay, good. So you can see test environment that we created not too long ago from terminal. It's coming up now, and we're getting feedback that the environment is being created. Okay. So while we wait for the environment, we could do something else, which is to head over to Bitbucket. Alright, so yeah, so there's a new there's a Bitbucket pipeline script created by a wonderful fellow that we're gonna take advantage of here. Just like the old saying goes, why reinvent the wheel? So big thanks to Josh Campbell for this script. Okay, so what we actually need here are two scripts. This beanstalk deploy .py and then Bitbucket pipelines.yml. Alright, so let's check the source code. Okay, so these are the two things that we need. Beanstalk deploy. Alright, so we're just gonna copy this code. Okay. Alright, so let's just drop this in here. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna create a new file. Beanstalk deploy the py. Okay. Alright, so we have it here. Script by Josh Campbell. Okay. Beanstalk underscore deploy. Oh, that is an idea. Okay, Beanstalk deploy. Alright, so we're gonna go back. We're gonna copy this as well. Okay. Alright, so just hold on. Bitbucket pipelines. Okay, so new file. Bitbucket pipelines.yml. Okay, good. Alright, so we're gonna change this to Python 2.7. If you're using Python 3.5 or whatever version it is that you're using, you just change it here. So I'm using Python 2.7. Alright, so this script is fairly straightforward, but I'm just going to walk you through it now. Okay, so we have pipelines and we have branches. So what this means in effect is we could have different configurations for different branches. So this could be staging. See, so this could be staging, and you could execute all of this. It could be beanstalk deploy staging. If you have different scripts, beanstalk deploy master. You have different scripts for deployment for each of these branches. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna delete this because we need just one. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna edit this. So his is required to install zip, as you can see from the comments here, required for packaging of the application, and pip install boto 3 required for beanstalk deploy. Okay, we're gonna use this zip and then edit this. Okay, we're gonna do this so that it zips everything inside this directory. Okay, good. Okay, so now we have almost good to go. Let's check our environment. Oh, fantastic. Our environment is successful, and it's red. So let's look at it. I'm sure it should be green. Yeah, it's still coming up, so give it a few. Oh, perfect. It's green and it's red. Okay. So let's head over back to Bitbucket and look at the instructions here. Okay. So here it says required permission in AWS. So what we're gonna do now is to go to IAM and create a profile that we'll use on Bitbucket. So this user must have AWS Elastic Beanstalk full access to be able to deploy from your Bitbucket repo to Amazon AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So let's just go here and then go to IAM and we create a user. We attach it to policy, and the policy is going to be AWS Elastic Beanstalk full access. Okay. All right. So go here. Let's create a new user. Bitbucket user. You could give it any name you like. Okay. Bitbucket user. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy this because you only have one chance to do this. Otherwise, you just download it and keep it safe. Okay. Yeah. Well, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna copy it because yeah, after this tutorial, I'm gonna delete the account. Okay. Alright, so let's attach it to a group. Add user to group. There are no groups here, so we're gonna create a group with bucket group and then attach it to policy AWS Elastic Beanstalk full access. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna next. Yeah, so we create this group now. Okay, so we have a Bitbucket group. So let's go back to the user that we created not too long ago and assign it to this group. Okay, so it belongs to this group now. So in effect, what we have done now is to create an IAM user that has the right privileges to be able to use Bitbucket pipeline to deploy our code from Bitbucket to Amazon AWS. Okay. All right. So let's go to. All right. So what we're gonna do now is this. So we're gonna enable pipelines for this branch or this repo that we've created. Okay, so we're gonna do this now. It's coming up, loading pipelines. Alright, so it's asking us to commit first. So we need to push our files first to Bitbucket before it can allow us to enable pipelines. Okay. Alright, so here, because we already have an existing project, so we're just gonna add a remote URL to it. Okay. Okay. So we push origin and all branches. Okay. So we're almost there. Yeah. So we've pushed to Bitbucket now. Alright, so it should be able to enable pipelines after we refresh this page. So it's coming up. It's coming up. It's all done. Okay, so now because we have pushed our code to Bitbucket, we can enable pipelines for the branch that we have available there. Okay. Alright, so it's gonna be Python. Next. So this is the Bitbucket pipelines or YML that we created not too long ago. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh well. Yeah. Okay. So it wants us to commit this. Okay. So what we should have actually done would be to. Okay. Alright. So let's pull this new change. Alright. So meanwhile, we're going to go into settings. I'm going to set our environment variables. So if you look at this in required environment variables, we have AWS secret key, secret access key ID, default region, application environment, S3 bucket. Okay. Alright, so here you see environment variables, settings, environment variables. Okay. Alright, so here, okay, so this is where we set our environment variables. So we just copy the name right here, environment variable. So we have access key ID. Okay. No, sorry. Secret access key. Yeah. Access key here. Okay. Yeah. So add access key ID. Okay. Access key ID. Okay. Alright, so we had a default region. Alright, so remember while we were creating an environment, so this is our region, EU West 1. This is one way to find out. Another way to find out is we look at the environment that you have, the URL, so you can see from here, EU West -1, EU-West -1. So that's the name of our environment. EU-West -1. Okay, so we had another which is application name. Application name. Okay, so same thing. If we go to this is our application name, test app. If you go to the GUI, you see test app. So this is the application name. Okay. Okay, so we have another one, application environment. Okay. This is still kind of hard. Internet connection is kind of terrible. Sorry about that. Okay, so the environment name is not here. Application environment, this is it. So this is application name, application environment. Okay, so test environment. Okay. Alright, so S3 bucket. So you need to create an S3 bucket. Okay, so let's say test bucket. Okay. Alright, it's coming out. Okay. this bucket already is bucket is not available. Close bucket. Okay, bucket name is not available, so we choose another name. This bucket test up. This bucket is available. Alright, so big bucket test up. Okay. It's coming up. Alright, so code that we did not too long ago messed up. So back to error. Okay. Alright, so let's see if this is ready. What? A variable equivalent is this for account. We're gonna add S3 bucket environment variable. Okay. And the name of our bucket is big bucket test app. Just created it. Big bucket test app. Okay. Alright, so everything is complete. We have all these environment variables added. So now what we need to do is to push for changes. Okay. Alright, so let's see if we have anything like that. We have something. Okay. And we just push origin master. The branch that we have here is the master branch. Okay. And we have our pipeline activated for this master branch. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, so we need to pull something has happened. Oh, sorry, I did not commit. Okay, so we have pushed. So let's go and check our bucket repo. Okay, and see if anything is going on. Alright, so we've pushed now. So our pipeline is loading, master is building. Okay, good. Everything seems to be working. Alright, so let's inspect it. It's loading hard on pipelines and it's getting built. Oh, perfect. Alright, so all these commands from here have all been executed. Okay, as you can see from here. Alright, so our app has been zipped and pushed to our AWS S3 storage. Okay, so let's check our environment and see it has received the command for deployment. Let's see if it's updating. It's coming up. Okay. Oh, okay, good. It has updated. That was very fast. As you can see from the time here. Okay. Alright, so let's go to our S3 bucket and see if the zipped file was dropped in here. Okay, as you can see, test app. This was okay, it's loading the zip file. Alright, so this is the build. that was zipped from here. This is the build. So zipped from here and then pushed to S3 bucket. From S3 bucket was deployed to this instance. Okay, you can see if we inspect this, as you can see, new build from Bitbucket. Okay, this is test app 2016-10208. This particular version here. Alright, so we're good. It worked. Okay. Alright, so thank you for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things on how to leverage on Bitbucket pipeline that allows for a seamless, continuous integration of your code from development workstation to a remote server on Amazon AWS. Have a nice day.